start, though, with Elizabeth Irwin with all new information on that suspect. Elizabeth.
Well, Kim, that suspect sits behind bars here at the 4th Avenue jail after he told a judge there's no way he'll be able to post that $1 million cash bond. Tonight, we're learning more about who he is and why his boss says he doesn't think he did it.
Yeah, at this time, the state is asking for a $1 million cash bond.
From the very beginning of Merritt's first court appearance, he made it clear what he thought about the whole thing, shaking his head while county attorney's lawyers explained what their office says Merritt did.
Fear that was instilled in the occupants of those vehicles, as well as the fear that was instilled in everyone driving on the I-10 and Valley freeways for several weeks, was of such an intense nature.
Usually the suspects stay quiet, but Merritt had something to say.
All I have to say is that I'm the wrong guy. I tried telling the detectives that. My gun's been in the pawn shop for the last 2 months. I haven't even had access to a weapon.
His boss trying to clear his name too. Merritt works at Landscape Excellence here in the Valley. We talked to his boss on the phone today. He says the timeline just doesn't add up, that Merritt was working when one of the shootings happened. Speaking of that pawn shop, this is where the Department of Public Safety found the gun they say Merritt used in 4 of the freeway shootings. And workers at that pawn shop didn't want to talk to us on camera today, but they did put a statement on their Facebook page saying DPS reached out to them on Wednesday. They went on to say, quote, detectives and ballistic experts from Arizona DPS examined several weapons and after further ballistics testing found the weapon they thought to be a match of the weapon used in several of the I-10 shootings. And Kim, pawn shops in our state are legally required to document records of their transactions, and that documentation is what DPS says helped lead them to that suspect.
All very good information there. All right, Elizabeth, thank you.